super great afternoon. Welcome to a new day. Welcome to a new vlog. Today it is a Sunday and it is the 2nd of March 2025, and welcome. So I just finished preparing for my flight. So I had a long shower, nice cozy bath, and I took out my uniform, packed my bags without you guys, and I think I am ready now. So what I'm gonna do now, I've already ordered food, so I'm just waiting for that. When the food gets here, I'm gonna eat and sleep. It's currently 5 p.m. so I'm gonna sleep up until 10 p.m. and then start preparing for my flight, because it is a night flight, unfortunately, and we are off to Russia. If you are new here, welcome, my love. I hope you're here to stay. Please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like and comment, and as well as share the video, the vlogs. Yeah. So yeah, as you guys know from my previous video, there was a change of plans, so I'm preparing for Russia. It is freezing. Guys, I just checked the weather right now. It's like a minus, I don't know. I have winter clothes, but I don't have clothes for freezing winter cold. Like, I don't know. I don't even know what I just said now, but yeah, I just don't have clothes for that freezing temperature. So I'm gonna sleep now, and I will see you guys in Russia. See you guys in Moscow. Super great morning. It is a Monday and I just landed in Russia. It's so cold. It's currently -1 outside and it's snowing. So I wasn't gonna do this video, but I did it because I realized someone asked me, how am I putting my head on with the new braids? So I was like, this is the only chance that person is ever gonna get to see how I've put on the head on the braids. So that's what I'm here to show you guys, to show you my talent. I'm so tired. So this is the hairstyle. I have a bun. This is the hairstyle. I'll just put it to the bag, towards the bag, fasten it, and the bun needs to be low in order for my head to be able to be still. So see, it's not that hard. It's not that hard, honestly. But yeah, you should know when we have these ones on and we have switched on, should know that it's very cold where we are, and it's super cold right now. I'm just gonna quickly remove my makeup, shower, and also, when you guys get a chance, please remind me to buy a universal plug, because I just realized they don't have a plug for my charger here, so it means I have to call the reception and ask for them to help me. When you guys get a chance, remind me. Anyway, let's get unready. I went downstairs and yeah, they buried me. So you see how it is, and my thing has 3 things. So I need to get myself one like this. And you know what? The day I decided to buy slippers, because I was like, you know what? I'm tired of being in hotels, and some I get slippers, some I don't. I come here and I find slippers and a gown. I guess it was a good investment though. Yes. Hey guys, I went downstairs because I can't, for some odd reason, I can't use their phone. I can't read their language. So I went downstairs. I asked for a plug, they gave me, I came back, and now I need to remove my uniform. Child, the lighting in this hotel, it's doing the most. Like, now I finally see what Emirates saw. I'm so pretty, I'm so beautiful. It doesn't even matter whether I slept or not. With the exhaustion that I'm feeling right now, 10 out of 10. But anyway, I'm gonna remove my makeup now and shower. I'm gonna remove my makeup and shower. I don't know how I'm gonna figure out how to call room service, because I need to get food as well. I need to now figure out, at least now one thing is out of the way. I now have an adapter to charge. Now I need to figure out how to call room service. I can't read the telephone. International problems. So I've just finished my lunch slash breakfast, brunch, whatever it is. And so guys, I've been keeping this for a while, for like 3 weeks now. I've known this and I wanted to tell you guys, but it was not yet time. I was waiting for this specific vlog for this week to let you guys know that I'll be graduating on the 6th of March, which I think it's a Thursday. It will be a Thursday or Wednesday. Thursday. I'm graduating, like your girl has finally did it. I'll be walking down that stage as a black, proud South African girl that made it this far. Words are not enough to express how excited I am for this moment and chapter of my life. Yeah, so that's the whole reason why I went to do this look. I went for the hairstyle that I wanted, the nails that I wanted, eyelashes, so that I could look the part for the graduation ceremony. And child, I'll be walking down that stage. Hallelujah. Jesus. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to it, obviously. And I can't believe I've made it. I have made it. It's tough. You know, a lot of people tend to think that being a cabin crew member is so easy. All you ever do is chicken. No. Guys, we study before we go on a flight. We study. We have recurrence. We study. It's not easy. It's one of the most challenging jobs I've ever had. But yet I love it. I think it's the consistency for me. I love it. I'm glad I made it this far. Everything is looking good. Everything is clean. All the glory be unto our Father. So I'm gonna try sleep right now. It's currently like 3 p.m. I wanna try to nap, not sleep, to nap, because if I sleep during the night, I'll be up. So I'm gonna try to nap. Tomorrow we have an early morning, so chances are you won't see me. I'm not a very early morning person now anymore. So I don't know. You probably won't see me tomorrow morning, and this will be probably the last time you see me in Russia. But yeah, I'm gonna sleep now, try to sleep, and yeah. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will be glad and I'll be blessed and be glad in it. I think that's what it says. Super great morning. It is the day. Let's get ready. Hey guys, you see how beautiful I look this morning? Wow, I'm going through the most and I'm going through a lot. I've never gone through this much in a very long time. I've never felt like this in a very long time. But you know what? The girl doesn't have to look like her storms. I do not have to look like my problems. Trust me. John, you go and you're for offer. I didn't even sleep. But you know what? A girl can never look like their problems. Today, I'm gonna walk on the stage as a proud Black South African girlie. The Lord has been good, guys. Let's go get the bag. One more certificate in the bag and too many more. Because I never stop studying. Too many more.
Welcome to Lutanda and Balama from South Africa. Congratulations to Mariam Al Mufti from Estonia. This side of the stage, they've patiently waited for their turn. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations and well done once again.
I'm busy packing my bag and I was like, this angle looks good. Okay, so my friends and I are going out now. We're gonna have dinner. They were like, you know what, girl, because we don't have much to do, why don't we just do lunch, Norma and Savio? So we're going out for not lunch, dinner. Let's go. Hi guys, I just got home not so long ago and I made a Shein order during the week and I was hoping that I'm gonna show you the stuff now. The reason why I made the order was because I wanted to test out my new card and I was like, let me make this order. But I didn't check something. So in my cart, I had phone covers. This is a sling for this phone cover. This is the first one. And I have the second one, which is this one. I didn't check how many quantity was it. So I have two of the same thing. And then I also had this in the cart for my baby. So it's a 2-piece. It goes along with that from Shein Kids. And then guys, I want to make a quick review about something. I've been using this girly for 3 weeks now, maybe going to the 4th week. Impeccable, especially when it comes to when I put it on. I put on my normal lotion, and then I put this body oil on, and then I put my body mist on, and then I put my perfume. Guys, I smell good the whole entire day because the oil literally holds the perfume and the body mist. It's very good. It's a 10 out of 10. I don't regret ever buying it because I ended up buying more. I ended up getting more because I was like, girl, you doing the things. And then one thing about me, I'm working on it though. I'm working on FOMO. I need to let go. Anyway, especially when it comes to body stuff, like your shower gels, your body lotions. I love everything that has to do with bath time, romantic bathroom set. I love everything about that, so I need to let go a little bit. But a week ago, an Instagram friend of mine posted on her story that she tested out this new shower gel, I think. And today, as we were walking through the mall, not me bumping into the store, and when I go into the store, they're like, they've just opened literally a month ago in that mall. I got in there and I got the shower gel. I used it now as I was bathing. I used it. I don't know, I think I should just give it time. It feels good. It feels good, and I love the fact that when the gel comes out, immediately when it touches water, it foams, and then it has this beautiful smell. I love it. But I'm not sure about the texture of it on my body when I'm showering. I'm not sure. I'm gonna give it time. And as well as I realized something, I never read the name when I bought this thing. There is just something I just didn't like while I was bathing about it. But anyway, it's a story for another day. And then they also gave me some samples for me to try out, as they are new. So they were like, we'll give you some samples for you to try it out and see if you like the day cream. So just bring it close. They gave me a few of these, to try them out and see if I like them. And I'm just gonna try them out as well. Basically, that's that. The day is done. What a beautiful day. What a memorable day for me. I will never forget this day. It's one of the days that will go into my good books, and the memories and the people that made it special to me. Definitely my friend Savio. You know, people had their families fly in, their relatives, their loved ones, their friends. They flew in to experience this moment with them. And obviously, because of certain reasons, mine could not. But he was my pillar, and he came through for me. He was from a flight himself. He made sure that he was at my graduation just to witness me walk down that stage. I love you, I love you, I love you so much, Savio, and may God bless you for me. And thank you for being a family and a friend to me. Anyway guys, I'm tired. Remember I said that I didn't sleep last night. I only had like 1 hour of sleep, and then I woke up at 5 a.m. prepared for my graduation. I've been up and down the entire day, and now my eyes are literally like shutting down. So I'm gonna close up this vlog for the day, and let's continue maybe tomorrow, which is Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see how we feel. Super great morning. Today it is a Friday. It is the 7th of March 2025, and welcome to a new day. Don't ask me why I'm drinking from this bottle. I drink from this bottle so that I monitor my water intake. So per day I need to finish this. You get it. Anyway, I come bearing good news this morning. In fact, I was supposed to tell you guys last night, but I don't know, I forgot for some odd reason. I was so tired. You guys saw how my eyes were on that video. I was out. Okay. So, yesterday when we left, when we were leaving to go for the dinner, my colleagues and I, when we left for the dinner, I received an email. I check an email, and it is one of my colleagues asking me to swap my Sweden flight for a Joburg flight. So they're giving me their Joburg and I'm giving them my Sweden. And I took the swap. So we're going to Joburg, guys. We're going home. I know that I have another one, but this one is to like heal my heart from the one that I lost. But yeah, we're going there sometime next week. We're going there. People said I manifested myself into not going, but I knew signs were there, so I knew. That's why I kept on saying, I hope. But now I am sure we're going there. That one, no, there were signs. To be honest, signs were there that I might not go. Okay, I'm back. I got a call. Okay, so now it is a sure thing. We are going there, right? Cool. I want to go to Spinneys to buy mini groceries, just like for, you know me, I buy small things for me to eat for the next coming days because I am off for a couple of days. So I'm trying to cut down on ordering. I'm not gonna order food, so I'm gonna go buy so that I cook like meals that I will be eating. And I'm not gonna buy a whole full grocery list because I'm going home to buy that. Okay, but Spinneys is a nice store as well. Like it's giving. But yeah, let's go. Okay, before we go to Spinneys, I'm currently waiting for my new bank card order. So I can't leave the house up until it comes. So I got something to eat, and this is my last order of the month. So yeah, I was really craving this egg benedict. I don't know how it tastes from this place. I don't know. I'm gonna try it because the one at the training college, the egg benedict, guys, whoever makes that egg benedict, it's a 10 out of 10. Okay, so let me open it and show it to you. Remember I said I've never had this one from this place. I ordered it because I was craving it. Let's see. I'm not sure, but yeah, let me flip the camera. Yeah, no, it looks good, but I'm not sure if it tastes as it looks. The salmon is not giving, shame. Like the look is not giving. It is currently 4 p.m. and I haven't left for the grocery store. Like I was waiting for my card. Clearly the delivery company didn't take me serious. I did pick out the times that I wanted them to bring it. I said between 9 a.m. and 11. Like guys, I didn't slept. I woke up and it's now half past 3. It's when they called me. They're like, we're coming. So clearly they don't fancy me. So now I'm going. Now I'm off to get the groceries because I'm starving, me. But I'm not gonna order because I don't have food. I'm not going to order. I'm gonna go buy groceries and come back and cook the food. That's the promise I made to myself, and I'm gonna do it. So let's go. Super great morning. Today it is a Saturday and I forgot the date. It's okay. I've been off for far too long. But today is a Saturday. At least I do remember what day is it. I think it's the 8th of... You know what? I don't know why I have to go through this when I have other devices. Yes, it's the 8th of March today. And it is a Saturday. My camera is shaking because it's literally holding by the thread. Things we do for content creating. But anyway, if you've made it this far, thank you so much. Yeah, man. Yeah, please do not forget to like. Please like so that I can be able to monitor. Please, as well as, do not forget to comment and say what you would like to see. Yeah, and I think this will be the end of this week's vlog. I'm trying to think if I'm not leaving anything out that you're supposed to know, because once I'm done here, I'll see you guys next week. So I'm just trying to think. Okay, so my next flight is on Monday and we're going to Australia, Aussie, Melbourne, and I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully I will not be forgetting shoes this time. I'm not forgetting anything because I'm going out exploring. Okay, we're going out exploring. Last time I was there, I had forgotten my shoes. I left my shoes behind. Yeah, I know. I'm currently having mad lemon because I was feeling like yeah, so we need to stop it before it tries to and yeah, it's been a roller coaster of a week for me, with me preparing for my graduations, also going through my own things personally. But you know what, I thank God that I'm in this state right now. There is nothing too hard for God, and I'm glad that I went through that. And yeah, it was a tough week for me. But anyway, yeah, now I am looking forward to Melbourne, and not sure when South Africa is. Yeah, but surely after Melbourne, it's South Africa, and then looking forward to seeing my friends, loved ones, baby. I love my child. Yeah. And also taking her stuff. I'm sure she's gonna be so happy to see her new things. Like, I'm definitely that mom that buys new things every single time I go out. Like, I buy my daughter something. Like, I cannot buy myself something and not feel guilty. Yeah, I feel guilty all the time. That's why even sometimes, even when I shop online, I would only maybe buy her one outfit. And probably my mom's gonna be so mad at me because now her clothes are like a lot now. Like all the time I'm buying clothes for my daughter. You guys should give me ideas of what I can buy a 4-year-old. I would really appreciate that because I know she loves new clothes. I buy her like anything she wants to eat, she eats it. My daughter like needs to look decent and stuff. But I think I'm running out of ideas of what to buy for 4-year-olds. Or yeah, I know I'm also investing for her, but like I need to come up with new ideas, new toys and stuff. But anyway, this is the end of this week's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another week, which is next week.